You're a work of art, dude.
Thanks, man. Yo, I'm here with Alex. This guy I coached during transformational leadership training, and he's now living in the same town as me. And he has this right? What's compost?
Compost operation, yeah.
So he's in there. He just had a little vegan potluck, yummy in the tummy, and we'd go out to eat during the group breaks, and he'd go to Wegmans and he'd get salad, and he'd eat, and it was just inspiring to all of us how healthy you eat. You eat a vegan. Is it raw vegan?
Mm-hmm.
Freaking inspiring.
Yeah.
And tell us what this means real quick, how this works.
Yeah, so composting, basically what it means, what it computes to is basically we can save the earth by not throwing away anything, by recycling it, by giving back to the earth. So everything you eat, it could be an orange, it could be an apple, it could be like
asparagus as old,
anything.
Cauliflower's old, you just throw it on the dirt.
Yeah, you don't throw it in a landfill. You throw it in the dirt.
What's different? Isn't that like the same thing?
No.
But no, because it gets mixed with all the crap.
Yeah, when it gets mixed with plastic, everything decomposes. But when you give it back to the earth in a planned, sequential way,
mm-hmm. And you're gonna build a big garden. That's so cool. I love it.
Uses it. It produces liquid gold, the best soil you could ever find in your life.
And it's similar to fertilizer.
Listen. You go out to Home Depot. You go out to these places. People buy soil. You buy soil, topsoil, something like that. How much does that cost?
Yeah,
this is
expensive.
free.
This is expensive.
The soil is so bad right now that people can't grow food. But if you just feed it back to the earth,
wow.
which is the best soil in the world,
Awesome.
it's free.
Well, there you go. So if you have a patch of grass, you want to take off that patch of grass and just have dirt, or get one of these, spatial things. What are these things called?
Beds.
Get a bed here.
Bed. By the way, 40% of food is wasted in the world.
40% of food is wasted in the world. This guy's passionate. He's inspiring and rolling vegan, and I respect that, and that's why I'm sharing it here. So if you could take that idea and take off the patch, rototill something, or maybe not rototill. I hear it's better not to do it, but go ahead and use your food as fertilizer, and then plant some seeds this upcoming spring month. May is when usually people do it.
And it's so easy. It's free.
It. Yeah, free. Source it, organic.
I'm not saying throw a banana peel on the, but you can do that.
Mm-hmm.
All you do is just top it with grass.
Fascinating, man.
You're set.
Cool. What inspired you to do vegan anyway for yourself? How old were you, and when? What?
24.
Mm-hmm.
Health challenges, but I reversed the disease.
Yes, you reversed.
What
disease?
Diabetes type 1.
That's right. Cool. You reversed it. And what can they do to do that?
Eat well. Have a great lifestyle, vegan lifestyle. Get fresh air, fresh water, just get lots of sunlight, and live out of love, live out of your heart.
Love it. Stay fresh, stay blessed.
And
Thank
exercise.
You, Alex. Of course.
With Dougie, because he's the man.
Yeah, strength camp. Yeah, I'm training people right up the street, so
yeah.
Hope to see you now.
Yeah,
Peace.
I hope so.